What go on with people? How they do? People, I got shop yesterday. And me see the biggest bag of bulla me ever seen in my life and I couldn't pass it. Because you see these people, that when they come from Jotex, look how big people. It can have a hole on the screen. Me couldn't pass it because it's so versatile. If you have any problem in your yard, this your bulla yard will solve it. Them bulla yard firm and strong come like a cement them make out of. People look at it. One bulla can full up the whole screen and pass all the screen. Buddha with pear, Buddha with butter. One of this your picnic stop stutter. Roast it, steam it or fry it. Less than a grand and you can get it. You see, if you have any problem, say you're in your yard, thief broke in your yard, and come to take up your phone like a film one, as you turn him back. One of this, and your problem solved. Any problem you have in your house, man problem, woman problem, picnic problem, just give them one of this. Problem solved. Them got them bed early. Them got them bed with them belly full. Problem solved. People, guess what now? You see them now? Them are chung, you know. If it's a little fenky man and you light and breeze the blow you with easy, them are build up your stamina. Look how it be. Them if you eat them your jaw muscle good. Your arm muscle good. Tell you, look on these people. Not even a 8-pound sledgehammer. Them stuff you use mash up house, mash up cement, mash down wall and look at. Bulla firm and strong. This is Bulla, but then a heavy house. Problem solver, the most versatile thing you ever. People may have a mash up one right now because this can feed a family for one whole week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Half for you and your husband, and the next half for you two pitney them. Problem solver. High prices can't catch you. People later now gonna mash up one of them, you know. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Don't keep the fun to yourself. Share it with your friends and family. And remember, click that notification bell because YouTube will not send you anything more from me. Until next time, big up yourself and stay strong.